Hey there, you. I am so glad that you're here with me. You and I together here are going to do this oracle card reading. My name is Brian Nesline. I am a spiritual oracle card reader. Among other things, like an empath, psychic, clairvoyant, intuitive, blah, 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 all that goody good stuff, right? Those labels, those names, they just point to certain activities or nuances of behaviors or actions that a psychic typey person could be doing. And we all have these abilities. There's nothing strange or out there or spectacular about them that you have to be someone special in order to do them or have them. No, we all have them. In fact, I guess you do have to be somebody special because we're all special. You are a unique expression of God, source, universe in the world. The very light of God has come into you and then out through your words and your actions and your physical body walking around this earth. If you can accept that, then you're going to be in a really good position. Think about it. You're going to be out of yourself and you're going to be up in your spirit combined. And you're going to be a what? Channel of the light. You're going to know that every word you say, every thought you think, every little bit of a this, that, and the other is all a part of this beautiful, amazing space that we are living in. Positive outcome. What? Look at the eyes on this guy in the smile. Do you think he's got a positive outcome? Oh yeah, because when that light comes out of you, it is extremely positive. It is absolutely positive, meaning it's an absolute power, meaning it is nothing against it. There's no opponent. And wouldn't you want to be that type of a person? Somebody who's living inside of a experience in this world where there's only one power. That means that all the outcomes are going to be absolutely awesome. Now, what is that? Oh, everyone's like, oh, well, Brian, what happens when like crummy things happen? Like negative things happen. Well, okay, I get that. They suck. Sometimes we're sad. Sometimes we're mad. Who gives a crap? If you know that you are the white light incarnate inside of a person, then you can just rise above it into the purple cloudy zone. You get to swirl around up here. You get to feel like you are on fire, not burning. On fire like holy moly, I feel like there is something magical going on. Moment by moment by moment. And that's going to spring up all of these little flowers that you see in your personal world. The little flowers of good events, of events you want. What are those? Those are all the little positive outcomes that you want to see in your relationships, in your finances, in your career, your life purpose, your whatever you want it to be, it will be. You can imagine and feel it, then you'll see. You'll see it roll on in through an experience, either literally or it will be a symbol. Because this place here is a dead end. This world, it is just a little mix of black and white. What am I saying? Trying to go out into the world and wrestle what you want out of it is like getting caught in this briar patch of dark, deathly crapityness. Look at it. You're going to leave your handprint in there. It's going to suck. We don't want to do that. No. We want to get out of that whole world because the world is a dead end. Living as a self only is a dead end. Being a spirit inside of a self combined, that's going to be the rebirth. That's going to be that flourish. And how do we do that? Well, let's pull another card. We simply have to know one thing, that our consciousness, our awareness, that is the part of our makeup that you would call the spirit. It's what's going to get us beyond the illusion of life. Oh, so funny, isn't it? How the cards already know. And the cards don't know crap. It's not the cards, it's you. You as that spiritual consciousness that lives outside of the dead end world. You live beyond the illusion as an awareness, as a consciousness. When you accept this identity, you go from the crabby caterpillar all spun around in this web of garbage and you go to the butterfly land of third and fourth and fifth dimension is transcended. You live in another space above the dead end, above the black and white duality, so that you can then use all the yellow, all the joy of life, the power of life, the decision that everything is okay because you know beyond a shadow, beyond your ego, beyond your shadow of any doubt that you exist beyond this illusion of this world, this limited world. Limited world of what? Limited world of time ticking across. Moments and moments of still framed life. Little specks of interactions that we go into and then come out of. We don't live in the world. Jesus said it. He's like, my kingdom is not of this world. He's like, Father, I'm not asking that you take them out of the world so much as they could be where we are, where you and I can be up here in our consciousness, our spiritual space. And then we can come back into the world and do stuff throughout our day, go to your job, make your video, Brian, right? Do some card readings, do whatever it is that you love doing. Find your joy and do your joy and watch how beautiful things unfold. The mother is holding that pearl of great price in her palm. Look at this. This mother that lives inside of the dead end. You can find it right there when you put your handprint, when you get your hand on that pearl of great price. I've talked about it in previous videos, yesterday or the day before. Look, when you get the pearl of great price, which is your consciousness, your awareness, your spirit, and your physical self combined, when you accept your Christhood, oh, I said it, when you accept that God is alive and well and living inside of you, then you get that pearl of great price. You keep that as the primary identity, and then you're able to fly above reality. You're able to see this world is an illusion, butterfly. You're able to go back and forth. You don't give a crap why. You know it's a bunch of still frames that are passing you by. There's nothing here that you can imagine and experience. Look around. Just look around. You'll see it. You'll know that everything that's here was imagined by someone like you. So all you need to do is accept your new identity as a spiritual being having a human experience. More than that, though. Recognize your spirit and yourself as separate things. What am I talking about? Yourself being a physical, mental, and emotional part of our makeup. And all of the details of our personal life, where we were born, what we did yesterday, what we had for breakfast, all of these little details. That's ourself. Everyone has a different one. But we're not going to live as ourself. We're not going to put our identity in ourself. Because if we did that, which one would be the real one? Ourself at 5 years old, ourself at 5.5 years old, 6 years old? None of them. They keep changing. Think about a computer and the set of data that keeps getting added onto it. Yourself is like a database, logging all the entries. Our emotional experiences are electricity coding it. We're storing all our memories. Look at that little self to save. Do you want yourself saved? Then just wake up spiritually by knowing you are a spirit, a consciousness, and a self combined. You could call this self-awareness. It's a different dimension to life. It is that butterfly space that goes beyond the black and white duality. It lifts up, up, up and away. Up and away, and with it, it takes all of our hopes and dreams out of us. And what does it do? It gives us the access to the abundance. Another abundance card. Is there an abundance card in every single oracle card deck made by man, spirit, and man combined? I think there might be. I hadn't seen this one yet. I can't wait to show it to some of my friends. They are people that I've said abundance is always abundancing left and right friends, up and down friends, all around friends. We don't have to make sense when we want to play. We just put our hands into the water and pray. We are the butterflies floating away into all of reality. Everything's okay. When you drop your sensible space, the divine masculine, pluck it out of your face. Don't literally take your eye out. Pull out the words and logic, please, and then just go where you know that hummingbird's going to say, what in the what? My hair and the water are so similar. I feel like I'm flowing. The light, it is growing. The green arc is coming around again. We won't ever worry because there's nothing against us, my friend. Pick another card. Show me something new. What's it gonna be? Let's find out. How is it that the cards know anything? They don't. We just decide it'll be right. We want a butterfly. So we'll walk along and keep going up to the sky. Pack your bags, go to the stars. This is your golden path. There is no going back once you know who you are. As that star coming down, please don't fight the sound of the white light that owns you. You can't escape it. If you're here with me, you came here to see this image of you. This image of you. This thing is no longer going to push and pull you. You live in the light, the diamond of joy light. You can go in to be the God self and be free of the control of the world. Goodbye, little world. Aw, I found what I was looking for. Myself and my spirit, the whole thing's a game. It's just creativity, it's our claim to fame. You're a unique individual, no one can play you. Just be yourself, oh my God, it's so good to be alive. Now don't you get caught doing nothing at all, or you'll be complacent and they'll bury you in the winter. Now wake up, my friends, and say, I did good. I'll remember the nice times, and then I'll blossom again with the light through the clouds that's always there. It's red in the card because the root chakra's loud. It stretches us out. It goes until the end of time, which is really here and now. You're always going to be able to do something you want to do. If you put your mind on it, you'll know there's nothing stopping you. I can't ever bother to give a crap about controlling any of this. It's so good, I love it all. I'll never stop doing this until they bury me in the grave. Yard next to someone else like me or you. The stars are here. There's nothing that we have to fear. There's always a way out of here. There's always something you can do. Oh my God, yes, love you, God, and Brian, and self, and spirit, combined. You are that magical music manifesting on that beautiful crescent moonlight eclipse starland of Mermaidville Harpish. Oh, I love being here. Oh, I love doing this. I don't want it to end, but I know I gotta wrap it up. What does it all mean? Who cares? You know you're going to hear bits and pieces. It's like being out in the sun and having just one or two rays hit you. What the hell was that? Oh my God. I'm so glad. And as we are remade over and over again, we don't give a crap about any of this stuff that's happening because we are full, wholehearted spiritual beings having our little electric wings, our little songs and sings, our little lotus position, our little everything is going to burn down away. Not burn like bad burn, not burn like ouch burn. No, burn down, go down, come down, white light, give us insight, give us. Another idea that we can hold in our hands and our heart and take actions on and start anew again. And every day is like that. It's just a little beautiful, wonderful, don't worry about the word grief. This is more of a heartbeat, my friend. Bump, 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 bump. And this light blue is just that words and that loveliness of uniqueness that beats through you, through the spiritual heart that you are in this world. Tears are what happen when the ice in the heart melts. And that ice is a diamond of light that has a lot of perspectives and facets on it that you are going to be able to keep bringing into the world. Take care. That's the end of this reading. Oh my God, what are we seeing here? No idea. You'll have to rewatch it again and see if anything else stands out than what happened the first time. Enjoy your light and life and be you as best as you can be. It's the only thing we can be. Just let it unleash, let it go, let it grow into the world. You're amazing. I already know you're amazing. I can just tell. The fact that you even watched this means that you are an open-minded child of light and source and universe. I'm so glad you're here. So glad you're here. Thank you. Goodbye.